Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. So this is the final video for this series, and yeah, it's a beautiful walk tour from Broadway until here at the Grand Central Terminal. So we're still at the main concourse. It's actually at the central of the station, and it will always lead you to the upper level tracks. But the design of this terminal is that you have two main levels for passengers, an upper level for intercity trains and a lower level for commuter trains. Yep, that's how they designed it, so that the flow of traffic will be smoother. And yes, it's really clean here, very nice. So we're going to the lower ground. There's a dining area actually, so we'll grab some snacks first, perhaps an ice cream, and you can see that yeah, it's really pleasant down here. You can see a lot of food also, and something to give you some kind of rest before going on and walking through the city of Manhattan, or the borough of Manhattan. Yeah, so let's look for something interesting. You have coffee, of course, you have pastries, you have ice cream. Yeah, and you have the restroom, of course. Very important. Yeah, so I hope you did like this video and this series. The next series will be walking from here towards Times Square, but yeah, it will be a walkthrough, so it's better if you're planning to go here to New York City, yeah, better watch this video. It will give you a guide somehow of how to walk around. And one thing for sure, it's safe actually. It's not as bad from the negative news that we've been hearing. No, it's not all that bad, and it's still beautiful. It's still a very beautiful city. And going here is a nice thing to do. You have chirping chicken there. Yep. So I hope you did like this series. We'll be walking towards Times Square. We'll be going to Brooklyn Bridge. We'll be going to the Statue of Liberty. I mean, we've been to the Empire State, so we don't plan to go there this time around. We've been to the Madison Square Garden, and yeah, before we bought a New York pass that would allow us to take the bus and to different locations for 2 days, but this time around we're not doing that. So I'll pause my video here. If you like this series, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.